Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you. We will see your past, present and future energies over here. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's get started with my reading for my Aries. I'm not able to shuffle, just one more time. Yes. One more. Okay. So let's get started. So I need past energies for my Aries. Past energies, please. Past energies, please, for my Aries. Okay, present and future. At the back of the deck we have the 5 of Cups, we have Death card, we have Strength, Hermit. Okay, so you're definitely going through some transformation right now, Aries. This might be a very loner kind of a situation you might be going through. This might be, you might be soul searching, you might be meditating, hibernating. So a really lost energies I'm really getting, some regretful energies for some of you, where you might have taken a decision in the past, something might have happened with you and you still regret that. Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you choose this situation? Why didn't you work on that thing? Okay, because your inner strength is trying to tell you certain thoughts. Basically you are getting some certain thoughts and some certain momentums, if you would say, whatever this is. But yes, this is a strong transformation from which you are going through. The Hermit with the Death card, strong energies of this transformation. I'm really getting that. Yeah, you are trying to build up yourself. You are trying to work on yourself with the strength energy. You are trying to focus on your inner thoughts. You are building up those inner thoughts in you, and that is why this is coming up for you. Your past energies are the Moon, the Ace of the Two of Swords, the Moon and the Ace of Wands. Whatever the thing was, there was a situation where you had two options, okay, but you were really confused. You didn't know where to go. There was a lost energy because of the darkness, which might be seen because of somebody around you. Somebody might have not shown you the correct path in your inside you, and you thought that, because see, the Moon and the Ace of Wands, the Moon is the water, it's the darkness, and the Ace of Wands is the fire. To me it's looking like, you were directionless at a certain point, and when you got direction because of the fire energy, there was a sudden change around you. You might have gotten ignited, because of some certain ideas in your head, and you wanted to move towards that thing. You were really happy because obviously, if we get light in a direction, if we are moving towards something and we get light in that thing, we will be easy. If I'll give you a torch in the darkness, you will be able to see what is ahead you. So yes, this is the same thing which happened with you, but we will clarify whether this was good for you or not. The Page of Cups, the High Priestess and Seven of Wands in your current energies, you are still working on that thing. You have not, I don't see you have backed off from that situation. You are still working with the Page of Cups. You are really happy with this thing, whatever this thing. This might be a new skill you might have learned before, and now you're working on that thing. You are getting you are getting pro in that situation. You are mysterious. I really get an energy where I see that you are working on your own. You are not telling this to anyone with the High Priestess and the Seven of Wands. There might be people who are against you for this thing. This can be a person as well. People around you are against this person, but you are fighting for you and for yourself and for this person. You are being hideous in nature, because in the past energies also we have the Moon, in the present also we have the High Priestess. So these are the mysterious energies of the deck. So yes, you are working mysteriously in this thing. you haven't told anyone about it, and that is really good if you haven't told, because some things need to be hidden. You cannot tell everyone, you cannot show everyone what you are going through and what you are doing in your life. We are going to clarify each and every card, do not worry. Okay, so the future energies are the Emperor, the Hangman, and the Knight of Wands. I'm getting more energies of more ignition in you. You know, your fire energies keep on increasing and increasing. The ideas which you are getting, you are working those ideas actually into actions. And yes, but there will be a point where I really feel that there's somebody around you, might be a male figure, might be a father-in-law, brother, elder, you know, somebody elder to you who is really trying to stick in between this situation. It's like they are not allowing you to work on this thing. That is why I'm really getting that your energy with the past, sorry, your overall energy over here with the Death and the Hermit card, that you might even are showing other people that you have ended this situation, but you haven't. So that is why you are working on it mysteriously. Okay, so let's clarify now. Okay, and yes, if you want to get a personalized reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. All right, so I didn't said earlier. Okay, let's see. I really want to get some more cards for my Aries overall energy, what my Aries is going through. Some more energies for my Aries. Overall energy for my Aries. 3 shuffles. Okay. So we have the Knight of Cups, we have the Ace of Wands, we have the Page of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, and the Moon. Wow. See? As again, you know, the Moon card is here again. So this is something which you are trying to hide. You are in a very strong situation. This thing is, you might be collaborating. This is new ideas coming up more and more in work. I'm really getting you, you know, you are trying to work on your career right now more. In regards with love as well, I'm seeing that new ideas, new people, new, you know, you are getting more and more attracted towards people. So people are getting attracted towards you, and they really want to talk to you. They really want to propose you. There's something, you know, your overall energies are really positive. You know, you are getting that positive aura around you, because of which people are getting attracted towards you. But they do not know what you are going through exactly, what was your past, what was the situation you have gone through. But yes, you are getting attracted day by day. People are really getting attracted towards you. Okay, let's clarify now why this 2 of Swords is here in the past energies. 2 of Swords, why is here? Queen of Pentacles. Yes, this could have been a situation in regards with money, or in your work, finances, career, anything. So that is where you were really confused at a certain time. You might have been confused between 2 people. You were directionless, you know, with the 2 of Wands is also here in the past energies. You were directionless. You wanted to choose one situation, but you couldn't choose that situation, really. Okay, let's see the Moon energy now. Why the Moon card is here for my Aries. Ten of Wands and 3 of Swords. The things are getting weirder and weirder for you. They were in the past. Yeah, let me clarify this Ace of Wands as well. The Chariot with the 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm really getting the energy where, you know, that feeling where why you were being mysterious and why you were being hidden, because you were going through a process. you were experiencing a heartbreak. Everything around you felt to be overloaded with lots of stuff, with, like, you were getting burdened by somebody else. This might be a person around you who was trying to be very dominant in your life, and because of that dominancy you were feeling burdened. You wanted to break up. You couldn't tell it to anyone, because this was becoming very toxic as well, I would say. Yes, strong toxic energies are coming up. You wanted to just leave this thing because you wanted to start afresh. Sometimes we know what we are going through, right? You knew that you were going through a sudden change in your life and you do not want to be there anymore, but you couldn't do anything. You had to stay. Where would you go, right? Let's see. But I think you have made that decision, because with the Two of Swords in this, with the Three of Swords also in the past energies, I see that if you were directionless at a certain time, then you really had to choose between right and wrong, and you chose right. Although it hurt you a lot, it really hurt you. It was like a heartbreak kind of a situation, but yes, it was like, really, you felt, this was a heartfelt moment for you, but you chose it for your independence. And that is why this transformation, this ending made is like, you are changing, you are transforming in yourself. Okay, so let's see the Page of Cups in your present energies. Why the Page of Cups is here in your present. Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Wow. So yes, this new beginning, this new transformation is a very beautiful way for you to go to higher heights. You are really showing gratitude. You are really happy. You are working. You might be traveling as well for some of you. You are really not standing at that place where you were before. You are really working. And this time you are hideous again, but Page of Pentacles, see, you are working on the skill, on this new work, this new project. You might be managing it, something like that, but yes, you are working. And I'm also getting the thing that people might not know what you are actually doing. You might be you are working for an intelligence company or something like that. People do not know. You might be working like something in tarot. Okay, I see tarot energies are also, because people are working with the cards here. This lady is working with her cards. See, tarot cards are here. So you might be a healer, counselor, something you are doing apart from what you have done, because you are very happy what you are doing, this new thing. You might be reading more books. Wow. Let's see why the Seven of Wands is here. Seven of Wands energy. Why Seven of Wands is here. Nine of Wands, Knight of Wands, Nine of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. But yes, you are really working hard, but you might be getting some sleepiness issues during nights. You might be getting some anxiety attacks. Some anxious energies are also coming up, because you are doing really fast. All of a sudden, from your energy of doing nothing before, you were like silent and all of a sudden, all the energies changing. Your overall energies are also transforming, and you're working also. You are doing 2 jobs at a time. You are doing some other things as well around you. So this is making you really you are being very much tired, and that is why, and still you are not able to sleep during night. So things are fine, but you are not making them fine. Sometimes we are the ones who actually complicate our lives. Okay, Aries. So suggestion for you, that do not just sleep during nights early. Do not wait for like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. No, you should sleep early. The Emperor, Hangman, and Knight of Wands. Why the Emperor energy is here with the Queen of Swords? See, there's somebody, definitely some person. Emperor clarified by Emperor, so strong Emperor energies. There's strong dominance coming up in your life. You might be not expecting this, you might not be, you know, very happy for this strong dominance energy, but I'm also getting that you are taking some kind of a charge. For some of you, this can be another person who is trying to dominate you. For some of you, you are only the one who are taking charge of your life. You are trying to cut people off, you are trying to cut situations off around you if something is not well for you. So that is why I'm seeing some of the Aries, because this is strong Aries energy. If we do not forget, this is the Emperor card, so this can be you, because you are the one who is dominating, not others. Okay, it's fine with others as well, but at least you know what is right and wrong for you. Why the Hangman is here? Why the Hangman is here? Ace of Swords with the Strength card. Wow. Clarification, inner work with little, you know, being silent. I'm really getting, you are really silent from your past, present, and future. What I'm getting, you know, is whatever you are working for whom you are working, whatever the thing is, you are doing this in silence. You are not that, although Aries are very much, you know, they are like small kids, I would say, because the energies are really childish in a very positive way when it comes to, you know, I really want to experience this and this and this, that kind of a Mercury energy. But yeah, but you are really silent. So this is some another sign as well in you, which is making you more secretive. Might be Scorpio also you have in your chart, because I'm really getting some secretive energies. Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, strong water energies coming up for you. Knight of Wands. Why the Knight of Wands is here for my Aries? Empress, Knight of Swords, and Six of Swords. So yes, you're definitely moving. You are moving slow, but you are definitely moving. Although this is a strong sign of working on yourself. You're working on yourself fast, like you might be working on the business on which you are working, the skill which you are learning. You are working really fast on that thing, but on yourself you are taking it slow, at peace, you know, slow at a time. That is what you're doing. The work, you are involved in so much of activities, Aries, I would say, but you have balanced it. Although there are some problems going on with you during nights, you are not able to sleep, but you have to change this wheel, you know, because the Wheel of Fortune is also here. So you have to change the cycle of sleeping cycle is not good, so you have to do it. You have to take charge of your life yourself. Do not wait for someone else to come and tell you that do this or do that. You have to take that charge which you are taking in the near future. So that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.